Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'm in my tub because I'm about to clean my towel inside my tub, okay? It's about time for me to get busy. I got on my work looking clothes. So let's get started, you guys. But before that, how was your day? I hope all is well and all is peaceful and safe because this weather is wicked. I mean, honey, this high wind was like 50 miles per hour. The snow was just blowing. And now this morning they said it was like minus 21 below zero, and we have a Lions game downtown today. So I know that's gonna be busy, everybody out and about. So guys, just be safe if you plan on going out. And we under a wind chill advisory all the way into Monday. And they said it probably will be extended because of the weather. So just please be careful and mindful. And if you don't have to go nowhere, don't go. That's why I'm about to clean this towel. So let's get started. Okay, you guys. So this is what I'm going to be using. Can you all see that? It's a multi-purpose cleaning paste. I had got this at Dollar Tree. Now, soon they put it on the shelf, it disappeared just like that. So, yeah, this one I'm about to clean my towel with. And get all in there and get all the grout and everything. And they said no more tough stains. Okay, you guys? So that's what I'm about to use. And here's the paste here. Can you all see it? And I use an old toothbrush, you guys. That's what I use to get in there. Keep them old toothbrushes so you can use to get the grout out your towel on the floor and out your bathroom towel. Okay? So let's get started. And I mean, it just take your stains right out. So today I'm cooking cabbage. I'm gonna bake me some chicken legs with Italian dressing, with red bell peppers and onions. And I had a sweet potato that I'm gonna use because I need to be cooked. That's why. So here's the paste here, you guys. And I've seen similar pastes, you guys, and it was quite expensive. So when I finally was able to snag this, and when I used it, I had no problem. Because you get the soap scum. You gotta use a little elbow grease, but it's worth it. That's why you get a toothbrush, you guys, so it won't be so hard. Easy peasy. So you guys, I'm going to continue on cleaning my towel. Okay. So in the meantime, I'm going to come back when I'm done. And you're going to see me rinse my towel, you guys, because I'm going to let this sit for like 10 minutes after I finished doing everything for the best results. So I'm gonna let it sit for 10 minutes and I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna wipe it all down. Okay, so hold on, you guys. Okay, you guys, I'm back. It been 20 minutes. I was in here watching Hulu. Okay, see it's all dried up on here. I don't know, can you guys really see it? Let me try to adjust my camera. See how you see it all dried up in here? And now I finna, this is a wet rag. You guys should see how clean this towel is. I'm gonna show you. Yeah, I done found a movie. So I had to pause it. Because I had to clean this towel. So like I said, the quick they put it on the shelves, the quick it disappears, you guys. So if you can look up and find it, stock up on it. Excuse me. Okay. And this is also a bathroom cleaner. It says remove soap scum and it's a stain remover. So to make this process go faster, this is so awesome. So like I said, you just put it on there and that stuff comes right off. And this is another one that they run out of. They have a clear one too. This is a fresh scent. The clear one is pretty good too, you guys. But I always get one. Then I think about it and I might go a week later, then they out. Then they say, well, our truck don't come in until Thursday. This is another thing that fly off the shelf. So if you can, stock up on this, guys. Because with everything going on in the world and stuff like that, we might be stuck in the house for a while. You never know. You never know, guys. And I'm easily to get bored. So I cut that water on in my shower. That stuff dripped right in my doggone hair. Okay. So, I'm going to bring you guys in closer. And I'm going to show you how clean they got my towel. If you can see it right up in here. Look how clean that is. Look how clean that is. Let me try to rotate you. Look how clean that is. There's nothing in there. Nothing. Okay, you guys. So that is that. My hair got wet. But yeah. So I'm going to finish wiping down the rest of my towel on this side. And I thank you for watching. And make sure you go out. Get this, of course. Okay, you guys. you can, get this bathroom cleaner because it makes your job so much better. And I thank you for watching. Bye bye, guys.